Apple Watches are the world's most popular watches, and there are two of them due to be released alongside the iPhone 15. The Apple Watch Series 9 will start at $399, the same price as the Apple Watch Series 8. In the UK, the Apple Watch Series 8 was previously £419, so UK shoppers will see a price drop to £399. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 starts at $799 or £799. This is great news for UK shoppers as the predecessor was £849. The Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 look identical to the previous generations, and there aren't really major updates on the outside apart from a screen that can get a bit brighter and a bit dimmer. However, it's the insides that have been altered. Both watches are powered by two new chips, the S9 system in-package chip and an updated ultra-wideband chip. The new S9 chip is 60% more faster and 30% more powerful than the S8 chip. It consists of 60% more transistors, which means more efficiency and a higher performance. The S9 chip has an advanced 4-core neural engine which allows both Apple Watches to access Siri and process inquiries on the device without an internet connection. The ultra-wideband chip allows for precision tracking, which includes tracking the location and distance of your phone, AirTags, or another iPhone or Apple Watch user. Obviously, you will need their permission first. The range has also gotten larger compared to the previous model. The Apple Watch Series 9 is available in the following 5 colors with an aluminium case: pink, starlight, silver, midnight and red. It is also available in a stainless steel case which has 3 color options: gold, silver and graphite. The new double tap feature allows the wearer to quickly tap their thumb and index finger twice to trigger an action on the new Apple Watches. That is quite magical. It can be used to trigger various actions such as answering and ending a phone call, starting a timer or beginning a voice recording. This is Apple's new big feature for the Apple Watches. The screen dimensions and resolution remain the same. The Ultra 2 screen gets up to 3000 nits in brightness, Apple's brightest screen on any device so far, whilst the Series 9 can get up to 2000 nits. Both screens can get as dim as 1 nit. Battery life for both watches are the same as the previous models, and this is despite the brighter screen and extra features such as the double tap and Series offline mode. Basically, the Series 9 will still be a watch you have to charge just about every night, whilst the Ultra 2 should be able to go 2 to 3 days depending on how much you use it. That is all there really is to both watches. There really isn't much more to talk about as the watches look the same as the past models. Apple Watches are not really designed for an upgrade each time a new model is released. The Series 9 isn't actually aimed at Series 8 owners, but is aimed for those on the Series 6 or even older. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is here to replace the Ultra 1, not to compete against it. I would advise to only upgrade if your current watch is experiencing issues which are beyond economical repair. The new watches are really not worth splashing extra money on.